Hello and welcome to the string functions. We're doing exercise 1 on the string function. So here's an exercise for you that you can try out and understand how to work with string functions. So for logical flow, do the exercise and you can learn how to work with string functions. Part of this, you can create this file string functions exercise1.php. So if you go to before folder, you will find a before file. Let's open that up. Okay. And in this you will find your exercise. So the exercise is to find a given word in the string, use case insensitive, use your own example and try to find a word case sensitive and case insensitive. Then you calculate the length of the string, then you try to remove a white space from the left in the string, then you reverse the string. So without seeing the function library, okay, just remember what is the function that you want to use and then you try to apply that function to a given string. So you define a string and then you work through this exercise with the scenarios that we have seen previously. Pause the video here and do the exercise. Welcome back. So let's do this exercise. So we're gonna copy this into a strings folder and we're going to remove that before. Okay, we're going to open this file. Okay, and we're going to do the exercise in this one. You have to find a given word in a string. So we'll define some variable. So now you can say position is equal to stri pos content find word. And how you're gonna check the position? If you remember the example that we have done, the position should be checked with false. Okay, then we'll say echo find word has been found. Okay, so we'll close the PHP tag. Obviously we are checking for false here. So what we should be doing is we should be doing a not here. Okay, then your operations has been found because the false condition will become this, but now it's in reverse way. Okay, we are saying it's not false means it has been found. So that's the condition, and if you change it with operations 1, so the operation 1 has not found. Okay, don't do this mistake. Let me show you this mistake. Don't do position greater than equal to 0, then do this. Okay, this is a mistake in understanding how the positions will work. Okay, the greater than equal to 0 will always be true even that is not found. So it's say operation 1 has been found. Actually operation 1 should be false and false is 0, so it's basically it's saying it has been found, but actually it is not found, right? So never make this mistakes of checking with integers. Okay, positions as always be checked with true or false. Okay, remember that. So need not to check with true, because if it's an integer value then it won't have true value, it has the position value, it has the integer value. So always check with false. If it's not equal to false means it has some position value. If it is false, then it is basically the value is not found. Okay, so in this case it is false, that's why it goes here. Okay, and if you remove this, this can be visible now. Okay, so let's do the another example. Calculate the length of the string. So this is simple and straightforward. So I'll say str length content Okay, that's the length of the string, 57. Then you remove the white spaces. Let's trim the white spaces. Now you want to do a left trim. Okay, for that you have L trim content. If there is a space, it will be removed. Okay, so you, as you have L trim, you also have R trim. Trim will remove with left and right. If you only want to trim left, you put L. If you want to trim on right, you put R trim. Okay, so now you have to reverse the string. So for this, even you can say str reverse. Okay, that's the reverse of the string. Okay, so that's the exercise on string functions. We have seen how to reverse the string, remove white spaces from left, find the string length, find a position of a string. Okay, that's all the exercise on string function. I'll see you in the next one.